Welcome everyone. My name is Manshu. So guys, I'm going to take you through a small session, a 5-minute session where I'm going to tell you how to improve your reading skills. Okay, so guys, before we get started, my name is Manshu. By qualification, I have an MA and MPhil in English Literature. I've been training students for CAT for the last 11 years, and I had a 99.74% percentile on the CAT verbal section in 2016. This is my Telegram, guys, Himanshu_Unacademy. So do follow me there. Okay, so guys, what you see on screen are some of the toppers of Unacademy, and these are some of the latest batches that we have starting on the subscription, the iconic and the plus subscription. So guys, do check out these batches, like they are taken by top level faculties. So coming to the agenda for today, how to prepare for reading comprehension. So guys, I believe that there are three stages of preparation when it comes to reading comprehension for most exams, and today I'm going to talk about in perspective of CAT. Okay, so first stage here. What is the first stage, guys? First stage is like understanding the pattern. Okay, what I'm dealing with. Unless you know exactly what CAT features, you cannot really improve yourself on CAT level content. So the first stage is that you look at a lot of PYQs. You try to understand how the pattern has evolved. What sort of passages are really coming in CAT? Guys, this is very important because it will help you decide the sort of books that you need to read. It will help you decide the sort of mocks that you need to give, and this will give you more clarity on how the preparation will happen, because like you would exactly know what CAT is all about. So first stage में आपको क्या करना है, you have to do a lot of PYQs. And when I say PYQs, I don't mean that you have to solve all questions. No, what I'm saying is just look at PYQs, just look at past year questions, and just see for yourself what is the difficulty level. How comfortable are you with the sort of content that you see? Okay, are the passages really dense? Are the passages really clunky? Okay, the sort of passages, are they really manageable for you? Okay, so just see that. Okay, so this is, guys, the most important stage. Second stage पे आते हैं. Then once having seen the content in the PYQs, the next thing you do is you choose the right reading content. Now, what I've observed is that if you look at all CAT passages, they are always from some or the other genre. And I always advise students to at least master some of these genres so that when you get those 5 passages in the actual CAT exam, okay, like I'm talking about the normal old pattern, you are at least comfortable with 3. ठीक है, so आपके comfort areas कुछ भी हो सकते हैं. Like for example, personally speaking, like I may be comfortable in banking, business, economy, science and technology. Okay, like there can be your own comfort zones. So second stage mein, guys, you have to really know exactly that what are your comfort zones, where should you do the passage first, and you will easily know those zones once you have seen the PYQs. Then you know, okay, so these are the sort of questions that come. Okay, so let me just master at least some of the genres. Okay, and when I say second stage, you will also know that what sort of question, what sort of passages don't really come. Okay, like for example, lower weightage of fiction-based passages, right? And this will really help you understand the sort of content you need to pick. Okay, whether or not you should read newspapers or should you go in for novels. Okay, आप खुद डिसीजन ले पाओगे because you have already seen the CAT paper, so like you know how it has to be done. Okay, now third stage is practicing with the right content. Okay, so guys, having done the first 2 stages right, आपने PYQs को देखा, you understood the pattern of CAT. Now you know the sort of difficulty that you have on CAT paper. Second stage में you selected the right content, you read a lot of articles, you read a lot of essays. Okay, and you also solved a lot of questions, actual passages. Right. Up third stage may now, like you're practicing for the final CAT. Okay. Why is this third stage important, and what are the things that you need to keep in mind? See, in the third stage, a lot of people lose confidence because they pick up mocks and they realize they're not getting the score. Okay. So if you have done the first 2 stages right, even when you pick up a mock and you don't get the right score and you don't get the good score, you can actually look at the mock and you can see that, okay, whether or not this mock is actually according to the CAT pattern. Because guys, what happens a lot of times is that there are a lot of these mocks, there are a lot of these books, okay, which are not exactly giving you the CAT pattern. The reason is, see, every year there is like small changes in CAT happening. And we see that a lot of these mocks and sample papers are way more difficult than the real CAT. ठीक है, तो जो आपकी परसेंटाइल जो आपको मिलती है वो कई बार आपके रियल परफॉर्मेंस की रिफ्लेक्टिव नहीं होती. So if you have guys done the first two stages right, you will never lose the confidence in the third stage, because when you give the mocks, when you practice questions and you don't get the like expected score, you can judge for yourself whether or not this passage, the difficulty of the questions was in line with what you saw in the actual CAT questions. Okay, and this is guys very helpful according to me, because a lot of people lose confidence in the third stage. They don't get these scores, and because they don't get these scores on the very tough mocks that have been made by so-called experts. Okay, and they feel very disheartened, and like sometimes they decide like like they lose confidence, they decide to abandon like the preparation itself. ठीक है, तो मुझे लगता है कि वहां पे आपको बहुत हेल्प मिलती है, राइट? So guys, these are the three stages, and to summarize, first stage PYQs. Okay, look at a lot of PYQs. I'm not saying solve all of them, just look at them. Second stage, once you've looked at the PYQs, now you decide what to read. Okay, so you have a lot of things to read. Okay, but then because you have seen the content, now you know exactly what to read and how to read it. Third stage में क्या करना है? Third stage में you have to solve the mocks, you have to do a lot of sample papers, but now you have to be aware that not all these mocks and not all the sample papers and not all the books available in the market are exactly to the pattern of CAT, because there are a lot of variation. Okay, and because you have seen the CAT papers, you have done the first two stages right. You are very smart, you're intelligent enough to decide not to take some of these scores very seriously, because sometimes these questions themselves are not exactly as per the CAT pattern. So like some like most of the time they are way more difficult than the actual exam. तो हमें डर लग जाता है बहुत ज़्यादा. ठीक है, तो मुझे लगता है कि वहाँ पे we feel more confident when we have the knowledge that okay, like I don't really need to get scared, because like this is not exactly how CAT is all like, right? So guys, these are the three stages, and I hope this session helps you. And before we leave, use my code HSING if you're planning to buy any course on an academy. This will get you a 10% discount. All course on an academy get you a 10% discount. So you can use mine. Thank you very much, and best of luck for any exam that you're writing.